Hello and welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see how to delete the employee by ID in Ionic 4. So this is my Spring Boot API. In that for delete also we need to call the same mapping. We need to pass the ID with HTTP delete function. Okay. So till now we have done with the add get all employee, then update employee by edit function, and now we'll see the delete employee. So we need to add a function inside service class. So delete employee, in that we are passing the ID, and that ID we are passing URL for HTTP delete method. Okay, so it will go and it will check the employee details, like it will delete the employee details if exist. Okay, so what we are gonna do here, so everything is on the employee details page.html file, and here we have the delete employee function. In that we are passing the employee ID. So we need to create a function in add this employee details page.ts file. Like for delete employee we need to create a function here. So we'll see. So I'm on the page of the edit employee details page.ts, and here I have created a function which is delete employee with ID. So we are passing the ID, and this ID is coming from employee details page.html. Like click on this, we are calling the delete employee function, and we are passing the employee emp ID as well. So in the employee details page.ts we have created a function. In that in first I'm printing the employee ID to delete ID on the console. Then for confirmation I have created a alert controller. In that I need to pass the, yeah, we are creating the agree, like a confirmation if you want to delete or not, disagree or agree. So this will be my emp service here, and delete employee, and we are passing, in that we are passing the ID, and after everything it will navigate the route to the home page. Okay, so you can see this code, like agree or disagree we are asking. If it is disagree, then press disagree we are printing on console, and it will that alert control will go from there. And if it is agree, then we are calling the delete employee function from the service class with we are passing the ID as well, and it will get deleted on that request. Okay, so just save it and we'll see the result. So this is the first page. Now just click on delete. So it is asking for me, do you agree to delete? If I say disagree, then press disagree. If I am say agree, then it will call the function from the Spring Boot and deleted details for 282. Now just go inside the console. You can see the employee deleted from DB. Okay, so we need to refresh it to now we have 23, but now we have 22. Earlier we have 23, but now we have 22. Now again delete the Ravi from here. So 283 is the record number, 283 also deleted. Now delete this one, 284 is also deleted. Like this we can delete, and now earlier it is 22. Now let me refresh the again. So now it is 20. So like this the function is working. Now let me show you what we have done in this video. Like on app details dot page.html file, we have on the click of that icon uh, we have called the function which is the delete employee, and we are passing the employee ID on that function. And we have created the function at in that class which is the add details, like employee details page.ts. In that we have created a function which is delete employee, and we are getting the id as an input. And then we are waiting for the confirmation from the user, disagree or agree. If it is agree, then we are deleting the employee details from the database. So in the console also we have seen like data is deleting from the spring boot, and like backend is the hibernate, so it is deleting from the hibernate as well. So I hope you understood this all this thing. If you have any doubt, then please ask me to in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you so much.